Well, Dryvit is a exterior cladding, a high-performance exterior cladding used on a multitude of different construction types. It is installed typically over framing, framing and sheathing. It can be used, again, residentially. It can be used commercially. We have a number of different applications that it can be applied, as well as renovation that we've done on this ReVISION home that we've done. The installation process is fairly simple. It's a few simple components that we manufacture. It starts with an insulation board. In this case, for this particular project, it was 2 inches thick, which gives us nearly an R4 per square inch of foam. So you've got an increased R value, which is important in a net zero house. Basically, from there, we use a reinforced fiberglassing mesh, a base coat, and a finish coat. And in this case, we used a limestone finish, which is one of our premium finishes that's associated with a whole line of finishes that we have that can replicate any number of different claddings, brick, wood. We have a number of different things that you can choose from. So we did, the owner chose limestone finish, which has worked out great. The energy savings is sort of something that you see in the very end of the product. It's something that takes place over time. The increased R value that happens in the EPS board and the whole assembly is something that is accumulated over the lifetime of the system and the home itself. It can be it's something that's gathered over 30 years, and it can be fairly significant versus other claddings like brick or stucco or traditional stucco that don't have the insulation value that Dryvit insulation does. We have fantastic product installed all over the country, from the Pacific Northwest, where you have a rainier climate, a place like Seattle, down to Phoenix and onto the Midwest and Florida. We have systems installed all over the country that have been installed for in the upwards of 30 to 40 years. So the performance and the track record is definitely there with Dryvit. Well, the product itself is fairly green. There's very little waste involved with the installation of the products. We do use bags and buckets and things like that, but they can be reused. They can be reused for a multitude of things. We manufacture in 4 different places throughout the country, so we have very good locations on the map where the product is shipped from to local distribution, where we're able to then get the product in the hands of the contractors that install the systems. So it's very ergonomical that way, and it's very economical in terms of getting material to the end user. The revision house was a big success. I feel at this point, having just gotten through the end phase of it with our contractor, we used a fantastic contractor. It went the way we felt it would go. We had a design. We had an architect designer involved. They gave us a particular look that they were interested in trying to maintain. We used a Dryvit insulation product to create that look for them, and they have all the benefits of curb appeal. They have the benefit of a better appraised value when they go to sell the home, and also the natural benefit of having a higher embedded energy savings as the end user or homeowner goes throughout the life of the home itself. So I think it's a win-win for everyone that's involved in it. We're real proud of it, and we're happy that they chose Dryvit insulation as part of the overall package for the ReVISION home.